Bathroom and kitchen faucet basics for every home. Dear friends, a faucet is one of the most important yet often overlooked fixtures in your bathroom and kitchen. In simple terms, a faucet is a device that controls the flow of water from your plumbing system to a sink, wash basin, or countertop. It allows you to start, stop, and regulate water easily for daily use. In the bathroom, faucets are mainly used for hand washing, brushing, and grooming activities. They are designed to provide a smooth, controlled water flow while also enhancing the overall look of the wash area. Bathroom faucets come in different styles such as pillar taps, mixer taps, and wall-mounted designs, depending on functionality and aesthetics. In the kitchen, faucets play an even more practical role. They are used for washing utensils, cleaning vegetables, and filling pots with water. Kitchen faucets are usually taller and more flexible, often featuring swivel spouts or pull-out sprays for convenience and efficiency. Beyond functionality, faucets also add style and personality to your space. Available in finishes like chrome, matte black, and brushed steel, they can complement modern, classic, or minimalist interiors. In short, a faucet is not just a water outlet, it is a functional and design element that improves comfort, hygiene, and the overall experience in your bathroom and kitchen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.